Okay, another question for the law of sine, uh, using law of sine. Given this figure, uh, that's B, D, A, C, this is 28 degrees, this angle is 28 degrees. The measure of this angle is 35 degrees. Angle C is 28 degrees. Angle DAB is 35 degrees. And we need to find the height. This is my target, the height. We got a question like that before, so let's remember. To find the height using trig ratio or even using law of sine. We know the opposite angle, which is 35 degrees. That's good. So we're looking for another side to get it in this triangle, so we could apply trig ratio. And our plan, if we found AD, it will be very helpful. AD will be very helpful. So we could apply sine of 35 equals opposite HU over AD. Or we could apply law of sine in it. Say sine of 35 divided by the height h equals sine of 90 divided by side AD. So to find AD, we need to leave this triangle and look at that one. So we're gonna look at this one, this one. This is our triangle that we're looking for. And it will help us to find all ratios that we need and AD. So we'll apply law of sine. So let's start with our target AD. So the opposite angle is 28 degrees. So we'll do sine of 28 divided by the opposite side AD we're looking for equals. We know this side AC is given, which is 18. We're looking for this angle, D. How to get D? Okay, angle D, separate notes. Using geometry concept, the exterior angle to a side, if you extend this side outside, this is our rectangle, and this is our triangle. And if you extend side CA, so the outer angle equals the sum of interior angles except the adjacent. 35 equals angle D plus 28. To find angle D, we're going to subtract 35 minus 28. 35 minus 28. Okay, so 35 minus 28 equals 7. So this is 7. 7 degrees. Okay. So sine of 28 divided by the opposite side, AD, equals sine of 7 divided by the opposite side that we know, which is 18. And now we could cross multiply. This is the side that we need to find. So you're going to cross. So AD equals 18 times sine of 28 divided by sine of 7. Cross 18 times sine of 28 divided by sine of 7. So AD equals 18. Let's clear first. 18 times sine of 28 divided by sine of 7. It will be as 69 69.3. Let's round it. So AD equals 69.3. 69.3. Okay, round it to 10. Yes. So we know now AD. Now we're looking for this triangle. We could use a trig ratio or we could use law of sine. It doesn't matter. All will be applicable. So this is our triangle that we work on now. And we're gonna apply law of sine. So sine of 35 divided by h, the height, sine of 35 degrees divided by the height of h, the height, equals sine of 90 degrees divided by side AD, we just got it, which is 69.3. And this is my target, h. So if we want to get h, so we could cross multiply 69.3 times sine of 35 divide by sine of 90. So again, h equals, change the color, h equals cross 69.3 times sine of 35 divided by sine of 90. Sine of 90 always 1. Remember that. Okay, let's do that here. So 69.3 times sine of 35 divided by sine of 90. We know sine of 90 is 1, so you don't have to divide by it. It will be 39.7. We round it to tenths, as you say. 39.7. 39.7. So the height is 39.7 units, whatever, meters, kilometer. That's it.